What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enter in vibration settings in Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on additional settings. So go back and click on sounds and vibration. Now here scroll down to the vibration section, and from here you can adjust the vibrations. So you can turn on or off vibrate for calls, you can turn on or off vibrate in silent mode, or you can adjust the vibrate on tap. So you can turn it off, you can set it to light, medium or strong. So that's how you can enter in vibration settings in Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.